Hello and welcome. It's Julie Q and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Today I'm going to pour over this boring old, well, it's not an old, this is just a coffee jar that you usually either just put in the recycling. So I thought, well, I'd like to make a nice storage container, because these are the kind of storage containers. This is going to be for my art room. So these are the kind of storage containers that I'm using at the minute. And I just thought it would be a lot nicer to have a poured, recycled container. So what better than a used coffee container? So I'm going to do a pour over this and hopefully make it something beautiful. I mean, it's only going to go in my art room, so I mean, it's no big deal, but you know, it's better than having what I've got there. So all I'm going to do to prepare the glass is this isopropyl alcohol. It's just basically cleaning off any greasy fingerprints or anything off it before I pour. So I just squirge it on and then just wipe it off. So it's just making sure the glass is clean, and there's no other glass prep that you really have to do. I've got this plastic cup I'm going to put there, and then I'm going to put my container over the top of that, so I've got a lip there to be able to move it and then take my container off. Take my finished beautiful utilities jar. How can I think of a really nice posh name instead of just my old coffee jar? So okay, we're going into make this we're going to do a beautification of the old Nescafe coffee container. So there you go. Rightio, what I'm going to start with is just the pouring cup, and I intend doing a ring pour over it. I'm going to use my pre-made pouring paints. I've got some real bits of leftovers in all sorts of blue turquoise shades. So I'll put that aside for a second, put it there, and I'm going to just pour where I've got left. They're pre-made paints, so I haven't got to do anything to them whatsoever. That's not much left in that. That's a goner. Okay, I've got a little bit more of that colour. That was light aquamarine. And that's a little bit more of the light aquamarine. So I'll keep it, I'm going to keep these just in my blue tones, or try using up my smaller containers. This one is the phthalo turquoise. So I'm literally just going to pour this paint in. It's a little bit left of that. I've got a little bit more of the phthalo turquoise. So yeah, I've given these a good, oh gosh, wasn't expecting that. I've given them all a really good shake first, because that's what they need. They're very highly pigmented paints, but they do need a real good shake to make sure you get all those colours in there. So this one is just ordinary turquoise. So I'm going to try and keep all these kind of shades, the blue, turquoisey shades. I'm going to add in some ultramarine blue. This might turn out too posh to be my utilities, but the jar cost me nothing because it was with my coffee, and I love my coffee. So I do have plenty of jars, and I mean, I have used them for storage containers in my kitchen, but what better than use them, you know, for my storage container in my art room? It's another turquoise. Did I use the last of that? Yeah. Yep. Okay. I'll using up all of these. That's good because they were just ends of the bottles that I wanted to use up. This is another, just the turquoise again. Need to add some dark blue in there, so give it a contrast. So I'm just looking to see if I've got any of that left. I'll use the cerulean blue. And then I'm going to add some gold. This is the, yeah, really nice metallic gold. Just got to pull the lid off that. Might have an idea for that. Might pour some of that gold on directly to it. So bring in my glass jar back, and I am just going to do a ring pour, or just let it flow over the top. So it's all these gorgeous blues in there. Here we go. Oh, I don't know about a ring pour. I'm just going to let it flow, I think. Oh, that gold always looks so yummy. Might add some more gold to the mix when I've got it flowing. It must be tilted a bit. Oh, look at those blues together. Oh my goodness. They look gorgeous. This is going to be a really posh utility container, isn't it? Oh my lordy, lordy, lordy. How lovely is that? Oh, already. That is lovely. I want some of that dark blue. I might have to add a bit more of that. This is what I'm looking for, that real dark one. That'll just add the contrast in there. Might just add a bit more of that dark blue if I can find some. Oh, I think I'm out. Wasn't that one, was it? No, that was the cerulean. I bet you I'm out of it. Out of it, out of it. You would. Yep, I'm done. I haven't got that one. I haven't got no more of that one, so never mind. Just going to add some of this gold in here. I mean, I've really got enough to do another. Oh, let's see how that goes. Just pour a bit more. Wowzers trousers. It's gorgeous. So there you go. You can go through your kitchen finding all these gems that you may have. This is going to be a really super duper holder for my tools. Tim the Tool Man, Jill the Tool Man. Okay. I like it. I like it. Okay, I hope you do too. I might just give it a quick blast with my Wonder Wand. Blow off some of the paint off the very bottom. I've done that because I don't want all the paint sitting in that dip. But I'm really happy with that. Just put one more ring around the very... I don't want the paint sitting in the dip because it's going to take a long time to dry. But I like the odd bits of gold that are dripping down separately. It's with these blues, it's very nice. Okie doke, there's my... Oh, that's cool. Too cool for school, or too cool for my... no, that'll be good. So there you go. I think I'll save 6 of those coffee containers so I can keep them. I'll probably put a nice trim around the top, but I will show you what I do if I do anything any further. So there you go. There's another little thing that you can look in your kitchen to pour over. So you know, like, oh, I just wanted to show you. I got a mustard jar that I'd poured over earlier, and I did the video on this. It was just a mustard jar, so I did the pour over it in another previous video, and then I just put these little buttons just to neaten up where the screw lid went, and then I've just got my stir sticks. So I'm going to have some really posh containers in my art studio here, and they are just reused, recycled coffee jars. So there you go. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me, and I will be here again tomorrow as usual. So yeah, please join me, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm very appreciative. It costs you nothing, so thank you. Until tomorrow, I will be back with another little gem tomorrow. So bye for now. Stay safe.